Yay! Finally, the package has arrived. The robot has landed. The robot vacuum. Looking forward to cleaning a little bit of Ellie and Basha's fluff. With a bit of shedding going on, as you can see, we will give it a go. Hi Bash, I'm gonna do a very quick unboxing of this vacuum cleaner with us. It's a little bit of bits and pieces. These guys here, they leave, you know, like their fur when, especially when they're shedding. You know, as you know, with this season, things get very hectic with work and your lifestyle, and yeah, we just thought we'd use the vacuum cleaner to give us a bit of assistance in cleaning the house and maintaining. And all right, let's unbox it. Two things I'm really looking forward to: the mopping function. Never had that in a robot vacuum cleaner. Always just had the vacuum, just the robot. All right, without further ado, let's open the box up. Okay, Basha thinks it's a present for her. Not yet. We got a few more weeks, couple more weeks for Christmas. Okay guys, this is it. Oh wow. Bash, you ready to show them? Okay, so this is our Viomi vacuum cleaner with UV sterilization feature, and this one works with the Mi Home app or Xiaomi app. You know, like smart home automation features. Yeah, you can download the app. Yeah, as you can see there, it works with media. Okay, and what I love about this is the dirt disposal. Comes with the bin as well, so it will empty up to that station, and yeah, no need to empty the vacuum as often. You know, like maybe read somewhere it's like a few weeks to a month, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so what we got here, instruction manual, how to operate, and here is our main product, our Viomi, our Xiaomi vacuum cleaner. Here we go. Yes guys, it's a toy. No, it's not. I'm just kidding. You might even get scared with a vacuum. Ellie? See? Alright guys, you can see this is so cool. And that is our UV light. Apparently it's antibacterial. Some list here as examples of bacteria, and I have a very cool audience there. Guys. Alright, okay, so that's the vacuum, and we have here our dirt collection bin. like the base of it. No, it's not too bad actually, it's not very heavy. There you go. Only thing to be aware of is it uses a dust bag to collect all the dirt and stuff. Yes, I have some two very curious chow chows here as well. Okay, that's the inside, and it's got all the dust bag inside as well. That's already loaded, ready to go. Okay, so where do you get these bags from? I suppose from vacuum shops or maybe online. I have to ask them where to get it from. Some instructions there. Okay, we'll set this up very quickly. Hang on. This up in the box. Okay, we have a spare brush. One out open and have a look. Oh, wow. Alright. That looks like Basha and Ellie's nappies. I mean, like the training pads. So it's like a bluish color. So like bad for the butt. With the built-in mop, I love it. We'll try it very soon. Alright, we'll do it now. Which one? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Alright. Let's open this up. This is the mop attachment. Cool. Got all our apps set up and just did like an update of the firmware. So yeah, we're about to operate it. Okay, let's put some more. Oops, that's it. Didn't take long to fill that up. That's our water tank. Guys, we started it now, and let's try to do vacuum and mop. Okay.
Vacuuming and mopping all is starting.
Uh-oh. Let's see if it's gonna get out of this. That's Bash's toy. Oh no, come on Swanee, you can do it. Oh yeah, managed to free itself, awesome. So it's actually starting to sort of like map the area that it's doing. Uh-oh, what about the curtain? What about the curtain? Oh yeah, that's smart. And this carpet here, let's see how it avoids these type of obstacles where it gets stuck. Oh yeah, clever. So far it's doing a good job. Got its work cut out at the moment. See if it's gonna get out of this situation. Oh yeah, it's doing well. So what I might do in the future is I am going to set some restrictions. So for example, like probably this massive curtain, I don't really want it near it, so yeah, I will set that up. So at the moment it's doing a mapping as well while it's doing the vacuum, so it's trying to map where it's going. So yeah, cool. Let's do a test whether that would clear out all that dirt, all that flour. Test one.
Vacuuming and mopping all is starting.
We're also doing some mopping. Yep, you can see that, that's mopping. We're gonna do a dirt test, so I just chucked in some flour there. Let's see how well it will clean it.
Vacuuming and mopping is being resumed.
I have to put some boxes around so it doesn't go too far, it'll just focus in that area. Or hopefully. Let's see. Okay. Cool.
Failed to locate.
Nice. So you can see it's almost gone. It's just like a little bit of dirt left, but so far it's done a great job. That's the last bit of flour that we need to clean up. And it's done. Yep. It's managed to pass the flour test. So that area is so clean, as you can see. Awesome. One cool thing about this vacuum is, as you can see from this app, it started actually mapping a little bit around the house, and it's called, you know, like room 1 and room 2. And you can even like do a map restriction, or if you don't want certain things to be hit, or, you know, for the vacuum to avoid. So for example, the wine cellar here, you can actually just like restrict that area from a vacuum going there, sort of thing. One final test, guys. I want to do a chow chow fluff test, or see whether this carpet will be cleaned up. You know, so you can see there's a lot of Basha and Ellie's fur in there. So let's see.
Vacuuming and mopping all is starting.
Oh, actually, should have turned up the mopping. Hang on. Do vacuum for now. Alright. So, some action. We are getting some action with this carpet. Yeah, that's one pass. So you can see it went on that edge there and collected some, but there's still a bit left, so we'll see. Actually do this point vacuuming so we can actually direct the vacuum to just clean this area for now. Let's try that. Okay, so we sort of like pinpointed in this area. Hopefully you will get it. Here we go. It's funny, it's actually got some fluff on top of the vacuum. Basha's fur and then probably Ellie's as well. Okay, it's starting to do this area now. Oh yeah. Not bad, not bad. Oh wow. We are getting there. So you can see from that, this area here is less fur in there. So it's coming back. Or is it not? It's coming back. Alright, let's see how much pet hair can it collect. Like Basha and Ellie's fluff and, you know, all that furry sort of stuff. Let's see how much this area will be cleaned up. So you can see they've been hanging out here for a little bit earlier, and yeah, there's some bits and pieces. Remnants of Ellie probably as well. Not remnants, I mean, what do you call it? Pet hair. Can't even. Okay. It's actually got a very good battery life so far. It's done about almost half an hour now. We still got a bit of juice left. And also, one more cool thing about it, the UV light actually only works when it's vacuuming. Like if you lift it up, it will automatically turn off. So UV is actually a bit harmful to humans apparently, so there you go. That's a good feature. Nice and clean, this area. Okay. Alright. So look here. Yeah. Actually, might have to adjust the suction as well. This is just on medium. Mind you, it saves battery life too, I suppose, if you're not putting it on high. But then the trade-off is probably the suction. Oh, actually, that's not bad. Not bad at all.